All right, well, that doesn't look like the right color at all, but we're gonna try it. Oh, kill! All right, guys, today's video is dedicated to being a team of winners. We're gonna celebrate by popping open some Martinellis. Jose wishes it was vodka and... Oh, tequila. Jose wishes it was tequila. And we're gonna celebrate with you guys. So if you have whatever drink you like, milk, water, fruit punch, pop it open with us and drink to this video. All right, Martinelli's. What year is this? Let's make sure so we know it's good. Oh, is this like the pop-off style?
Oh, I got one.
You do? Look at that. Jose's probably secretly drinking at work. He's got a freaking bottle opener in his pocket. Whoa, it is. Yep. Jose, sorry.
Oh, okay.
Cardboard. Just cut it. Cut it right there.
You're shaking too much, right?
Oh, yeah. What do you want to toast to?
I want progress in this year.
Progress. Okay.
And
oh. What else?
Get it better.
Get better?
And thank you for you guys and por apoyar este business.
I'm going to toast to Nobori Auto and your guys' growth and support as well in this 2019 calendar. That was so awkward. Let's toast. Thanks whoever gave that to me and Darylyn as a Christmas present. And thanks Darylyn for not knowing that I brought this to work and I'm drinking it.
But now they're dropping 5.
How does that even happen?
What happened? What?
From opening the freaking bottle.
Oh, the knife? Maybe.
No, I think it was from me trying to twist the bottle.
Really?
Freaking newbie. Hydrogen peroxide burn last year because this was like sitting like that and it leaked and all the water evaporates. I like looked it up. All the water evaporates off of the and then it's just hydrogen like flakes. And I touched it and then like put it back in there. And then on my drive home, I was like, what the heck are those bubbles on my finger? Like it was like turning to like white bubbles and I like scratched it and then like rubbed it on my hand and then it followed everywhere I touched. And then I looked up hydrogen peroxide burns on Google Images and yep, it's actually a thing. Eat the bacteria. All right, guys, so this Versa Note right here, it's 2015, I think, has 46,000 miles. It is a theft recovery. So someone stole it from the owner. Eventually, police or someone found it. Insurance paid it off because the person didn't have their car forever, and then it just got sent to auction. So wheel covers are missing on all 4 wheels. There is the rear bumper. It's like they backed into something, or I don't know, but it's pulled out of its mount spots. So that will need to get clipped back in there. On this side of the bumper, on this side of the bumper, there's a huge tear in the bumper plastic. So I'll see how I can fix that. Passenger side looks good up until the front door where there's just side swipe ding that's going into the front fender. And that, it doesn't look like the paint is missing anywhere. So I'm going to start with just wet sanding and buffing that to see how good it looks after. Interior is good overall. It smells like cigarettes, which makes sense because there's cigarettes on the floor and in the cup holders. The headliner has definitely seen better days. There's a huge eggplant drawn on it, and some obscene words. Other than that, yeah, this thing just needs a really good detail, some tender love and care, and should be good to go. Nice. Nothing like Richard Street. There's 2 homeless dudes outside peeing in front of my shop right now. Good times. The thing that sucks about having this second shop now is I don't have to get, but eventually it will be ideal to get second of everything because air hose won't run over here. I don't have extension cords over here, so it'll be a work in progress. So I'm just gonna mount this right here for now. Mount it. Should have gave that to the homeless people. All right, so this is a theft recovery, and it kind of seems like just some young kids wanted to joyride a car, but I'm so happy that Dirty Mike and the boys didn't get this thing, because no way would I want to detail all that goodness. How do you steal a car and leave 21 cents in the cup holder? Rookies. It's a Christmas miracle. 42 more cents and some copper tone extra guard. There's a freaking hair tie down in there that's not letting any of this big stuff pass by. So I watched this one YouTube video where they said to get Sharpie out of fabric, you get it wet and then you put some baking soda on it, scrub it in, and then wipe it off. But I have a shampooer, so I'm gonna try to like extract it with the vacuum portion of it. So we'll see. It's not really working. The only thing it's doing is just spreading out the Sharpie. So like I can see that everywhere around the Sharpie is kind of becoming gray. So yeah, this sucks. I don't know if that's gonna work. And it's getting everything a freaking mess. Even though I'm shampooing the seats anyway, but this would take a year and a half to do. And I don't have a year and a half. I already spent 6 months on the GTR. I looked up what swapping out the headliner would be like price-wise, and a used headliner is $500, give or take, which I really can't afford to spend on this, but I guess we'll see what happens. So the back seat definitely looks like Dirty Mike and the boys got in this thing now. How's it going over there?
Why don't you order another part?
Oh, the belt.
The belt and the
the
valve cover gaskets.
Valve cover gasket and the motor mount.
Oh yeah, come on.
All right, so Jose gave me the idea to try acetone on the Sharpie. I'm scared to do it, but what's the worst that could happen? It looks like crap like the rear, or I have to take it out anyway. So I'm just gonna test a little area and see how it goes. Nope. It works, it's taking out the Sharpie, but it's just bleeding the Sharpie into the headliner. So yeah, and you could see the back there. Now that's a new stain. This thing just sucks. Maybe I should just draw like pictures up there so it looks pretty. Or put like some sticky back felt up there. Call it custom. All right, so third attempt. I'm gonna order that fabric spray paint and try spray painting over the Sharpie. I'm just getting deeper and deeper down the rabbit's hole. All right, well, that doesn't look like the right color at all, but we're gonna try it. Not the right color at all. But what I'm thinking at this point is just take out the headliner and I'm gonna spray it black. It's not something I wanna do, especially for how much I have in this car and how little I could sell it for. I'm about to be Bob Ross. I like the curve of this one because then we can curve it out that way and then do a... Just gotta envision laying at the beach and looking up at a palm tree, looking at the sky go by. This little happy tree. All right, so I can't get the essence of the tree that I want. So I have to take out the headliner, finish the tree, and then we'll see its beauty and life that will go back on the ceiling. All right, guys, thanks for watching this video of the glorious Versa Note. Paintings and palm trees and Mike and the Dirty Boys will be here another day. Until then, go back and watch some of my older videos. Be safe, remember who you are, and see you later.